Today we're looking at these handles for the grab rails on the Can-Am Defender DPS model. They don't come with them, but you got to order these online. I got them on Amazon. I am a Amazon associate. Look for my links in the bio or there. Basically, Can-Am puts a hole already drilled right here for it, but it's not tapped or anything, and there's not one down here. So I'm going to drill this one out, and I bought 5/16 18 body bolts like go on a Chevrolet, and that's what they say they do at the shop. So we're going to go ahead and drill this out, and then I'm going to tap the hole, and then we're going to use our body bolt and have our grab rail handle on this side here, and I'm going to put another one on that side in a minute. And I know I'm using a 1/2-inch drill. That's a little bit overkill. They told me there's no wires inside this. If you got some other things in yours that are using wires, then you might want to check with them first and see before you go drilling holes in here if there's any wires in it. It might get a little bit noisy here, just to hang with me. All right. I picked up all the metal off me, and of course I got some everywhere, so I'll be vacuuming out the old vehicle here. For that, let's get the tap. Now I got my tap. It's a 5/16 18. That's what those body bolts take. I'm gonna start with the one hole before I mess up all of them, and cut this thing in here. Try to cut it in there straight. Then I can thread the hole a little bit, and I'll have something for my bolt to hang on to. Of course, my thing is slipping, so that means I am cutting threads. So I'm gonna have to rearrange that dude. Probably use a crescent wrench on it, because this guy here just loosened up on me. I had it tight, but I don't want to let go of my grip on the metal right now. There we go. Get a little bit. Try to get it as straight as I can in there. And I'm not using any oil. I should, though. I should use some oil. It's going sideways on me. It's not a very thick piece of metal. That's what bothers me about it. I can see it cutting the threads, though. Here in a minute, we'll be able to get our bolt in there and check it out. There we go. Now she's cutting them. So I'll be able to get my body bolt to the thread in this guy. And I won't have it's not going to be a whole lot to hang on to. There we go. I think that's got it. That's threaded now. So let me check it out. We'll try my bolt and see if it'll hold one. Got my body bolt. Let's see the hole it's going to do before I put the thing in there. Yeah, she's screwing in pretty good right there. That should hold it. So I think that was a good idea. Other guys, I've seen them put a helical in there, and they put that on there. Now I got to get my handle, put my handle on it, and see if that's gonna. Then I got to mark the other one, and I got to clean up the metal shavings. We'll be vacuuming this guy out here for it. Let's see here. All right, got that one there. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Yeah, fits the middle. Like I said, the Can-Am said that's what they use, these guys right here. So I'm gonna give it just a little turn so I can mark my other one as we put it in. Yeah, we don't want to get all fancy, mess it all up, you know. And I think I'm gonna get a marker and mark that one. Test the door, make sure it still closes, you know. Yeah. So, all right. Kind of sticks over a little bit. That's pretty good. Kind of working against the light. I can't hardly see it. So, but it he's on there pretty square. Yep. I like that. This one seems to feel a little more snug down here. Like I said, I'm going to go get a marker and be right back. Okay, we're back. Got my Sharpie. I'll mark the hole right in the middle where it's sitting. And then I can put my drill right there and knock it out. Take the guy off here real quick. Not a whole lot holding it. I'm probably going to get some washers. Oh, I like that. Yep, you can see it there. It's got plenty of thread. Don't really need washers. I will, though, come back with some Loctite put on there for safety. Because we don't want anybody grabbing it and expecting it to hold, and next thing you know, it doesn't hold. All right, ready for some more metal flake. That's the hole. Keep walking. The whole thing was walking on me. That's why I didn't like it. All right, here we go. All right, let's tap this guy. Should have closed that to begin with, but okay. All right, let's see here. We're cutting threads. They send bolts with that thing, but I lucked out and went ahead and bought the Chevrolet 5/16 18 thread. They're body bolts. So I think we're going to be better off. Because the other ones that came with it are, I think they're millimeter, and of course I didn't have a tap for that. But now I got a tap for this. We are getting ready to be installed. With a mess of metal flake. But we'll see. Alright, let's put our top one back in. And like I said, later on I'm going to get some Loctite to put in there. Thread lock. I would feel better about thread lock being in it. And where did we get the hole? Yeah, we got the hole. Look at that. Oh man. It's almost factory. Almost factory. Now remember, I'm a Amazon associate. I earn from qualified purchases. Appreciate you watching this today. As always, have a blessed day and God bless. And we have our handle installed. Look at that. Mama's gonna be happy.